you guys? It's me, Kitty Cake. Today I'm going to be doing a video today, and I hope you guys like it. So please subscribe down below and join the turtle family. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial on my daily look. So this is what I usually do. Put concealer, mascara, and eyebrows, and this actually takes me an hour or two. I know. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it. So let's get on with this look, guys. So the first thing I actually do is I put this little I don't know, moisturizer and this thing, and I got too much. Are you kidding me? So I just put it on my face quick. I put it under my eyes. This probably looks weird, but I just put it all over my face. And that's it. And the next thing I put on, I still have some. What the heck, man? The next thing I put is Urban Decay Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. So it's kind of like a primer too. So it's because it's part of vitamin. I can't. You know what I'm gonna say? Okay. So I'll just spray it all over my face. I gotta do this too. I'm probably just gonna wear this for the rest of my day. What the heck? I need to move. Okay, so when I just do my makeup, I just want it I don't want to do full face like my other makeup videos, but I just do makeup. Okay, so the first thing I do, so this is my little makeup bag. So I do my eyebrows first, and then I do my concealer, then mascara, then I set my makeup with the airspun powder, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I take too long. And yes, I'll see you guys in a bit with that. So the next thing we're going to be doing is concealing. Also I used my Dip Brow pomade in soft brown. It's right here. And also I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 14 brush. And yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna be using is my Tarte Shape Tape right here and light sand, and I'm going to be concealing with this brush from Elle. It's a small angled brush, and I usually just do that. Got to get them from the sides as well. Did I get that side fully? No, I didn't. Okay, and usually grab my mirror, but I'm using it right now as well. Oh my god, my hair. Okay, so usually I just start from right here in the beginning, just go all the way to right here, and I just keep concealing. And I also use other brushes as well. I'm so focused. Can you see that? I'm so focused on concealing. If you mess up, you screwed up already. I'm just gonna concealer makes your eyebrow sharper, so usually I put the concealer over here as well because I fade my eyebrow as well. And Pumpkin, no, please don't bark. My dog wants to bark already. I don't know who's outside, but whatever. Gotta do this video. If you hear stuff in the background, I'm so sorry. But yeah, okay, and then the next thing I do, which brush? Okay, I use this brush, and I don't know what kind of brush it is. Probably filled with concealer too. I just blend it in like that. And yeah. So, how's your guys' day today? Mine went good. I don't know, when I came back from school, went to sleep, kind of cleaned a bit, just not doing anything. And I was like, hey, I gotta get a video up because I haven't done a video in a long time. And that's not good at all because I need to keep up with my videos. And yeah. Oh, and I'm just putting it to the side right here. So I think I put a little bit too much. Oh, and also what I set my concealer with, I set it with 2 powders. So when the big parts of my concealer where I put a lot, I put the airspun powder, or I put the Fenty Beauty powder. I'll show you guys in a bit what the heck. But yeah, if you hear stuff in the background, I'm so sorry. If you hear something. Probably sound funny. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the top of my brow next, and I'll show you guys in a bit. So I'm gonna be doing the top brow next. My dog, oh my god, I swear. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Pull my hair back a bit because I don't want to get stuck into the concealer. Okay, so I just start out like that. Just keep going. Keep going. Ooh. Ooh. I'm looking into this elf mirror because didn't have really any other mirrors either. Oh, I'm so focused on that. So I was already talking about my day, so I'm just gonna tell you again about something else because I'm gonna be in a quince, my first ever quince, just saying, guys. And I'm like, what the hell? Okay, I'm like really nervous. I don't want to mess it up, like the scene, because I'm gonna be in a Cinderella scene. Just kind of blending it out right now, but yeah, I don't want to mess up in that quince because I don't know, would it be embarrassing? And I don't want it to be embarrassing. I'm like blending it up here as well, so that's what I do as well. This is like, okay, so guys, like I don't do a full face. Like if I'm going out somewhere, I really just don't do a full face because I feel like not necessary for me. I usually do full faces when I'm doing a YouTube video or I'm doing a full face for Instagram for my makeup page, which I haven't done a look in a long time, so I should really be on that. But you know me, I can't even like be good at YouTube and stuff. Yeah, whatever, I'll try better next time. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna teach you how I fade my eyebrows because you know, you gotta learn how to fade your eyebrow. Where the heck is my brush? Where did I put that now? I'm always losing something. What the heck? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, found it. Okay, so how I fade my brows. So if there's a little bit of product on the brush, I just do this. I literally just do this. Like I just kind of why is it not focusing? I just do that. I just keep doing that. It kind of like leaves a little bit of tint. I don't know if you guys can really see that yet, but like I just keep brushing it till I see like a little brown thing, like kind of like blending. I don't know if can you guys see that? Can you see that? Like I'm trying to like blend it in like that so you see like a little brown tint. Also, I use brow gel as well to keep my front brows because like my brows grow that way. My friend's brows, her name is Kaya, and her brows grow in the front up. Mine don't do that, so I got bad luck. But you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna make the best out of it by using brow gel. But yeah, you guys see that? Do you see that? And then I just blend it in. These fronts stay like that. I blend it in with the rest of my brow, and that's how I fit it in. So I'm just gonna do this brow now. I'm gonna conceal that, and I'll be back in a second. So the next thing I do is I grab my Tarte Shape Tape, and I actually put it all over my head. I know, like just a little bit, not too much, but I just put it all over my head so it can kind of match the, you know, the part, all the other parts. I said a little bit, and this is like probably so much, but whatever, it's makeup. I do what I want, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding, I'm just fucking I can't, just gotta follow the rules, just kidding. But makeup, guys, makeup is like, you can literally just do whatever you want. Like in the makeup community, it shouldn't really matter about like what you do, even if like people say it's bad. At least you're doing it for yourself, not for them. Because I do makeup because I actually like it, and my camera moved. I like it. I like doing makeup because it's fun. Like you get to do something else. Because like I'm usually bored at my house, and I was actually a makeup hater. I was like, oh my god, I keep getting hair on my face. Oh, that's great. Wow, I keep getting hair in my eye. Yeah, I did not like makeup one bit. Like, not even one bit. Like, no. Like, I was not, like, I was not having it. You know, I wasn't having it. Because I just didn't like makeup. But now, since I, like, I use it now, I look back at my like past and stuff, and I thought I would like no, like I just didn't like makeup. Like I was against it and stuff because like, you know, I would say the stupidest things, but whatever. I like doing makeup. It's actually really fun. I'm not bored all the time. Like I can just do makeup because makeup's fun. You can do whatever you want. Like, so my friend Samantha, so she's like, can you do a neutral look on me? And I went like, neutral? Like I can't do that. Like I literally can't, guys. Like I suck at it. Like I can only do bright colors. Like no. I looked at her and I was like, you know, I can't. Yeah. I did. She was like, she was like, come on, just please do it. Like I did it and it turned to like trash. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing is putting concealer on my eyes and on my under eyes, and I'll just show you. So I just go like that right here to match it, and I just do. So the sponge I actually used was the Morphe blender, and like. Yeah, and then I have two of them actually. I have this one and I have the Flawless one. This one's highlight and contour, but I still use it just to blend it in. So I just relax my eye so there's not that much creases. Because, you know, I don't want that much creases on my eye. Because when you like open your eye or something, or like you crease it too much, it like makes it look weird. So that's why I relax my eye and I just blend it in like that. And once that's blended in, time for my under eye. Okay, I just take some product off as well, and I just go like boop boop boop. Not too much. Well, I put it right here as well because I do have some creases back there. Oh my god, am I getting contour on my pants? Hope not. Okay, so what I do is just fix my eye. I look so weird when I'm doing this. Make sure to get it where my lashes are because I don't know. So I just want to do it that way. Blend it in over here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do my other eye real quick and see you guys. The next thing we're going to be using is the Fenty Beauty body powder. Yep, in Universal, and I love this so much. Like you guys, like I love it. And I'm gonna be using this Flawless concealer brush. I don't know what that. I don't know. So I'm just gonna be putting this over my head. So this is supposed to stop oiliness. And like, you know, I'm a super oily person as well. Well, okay, so it's weird. So I probably do have sensitive skin as well, because whenever you have oily skin, sometimes you're really prone to acne, and sometimes I literally just get little pimples, but they disappear the next day. So I probably do have sensitive skin, or because like I really do get oily at times, and it's like, I'm serious, I really do get oily, and like sometimes I think like, what kind of skin type am I? Like, just want to know. And so I was searching it up, and I guess I am sensitive but also oily. So I'm like, what am I? Like, it's weird. It's just weird. So yeah, so once I'm finished using that, I'm gonna be putting mascara on next. So I'm just gonna swipe whatever all over the, you know, all over the place. And so yeah, where is my mascara? So I have the mini version of the Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics, and I really like this so much. Like, it's my favorite. Like, I just like it, you know. I just like it. Like, it's cute. It's really cute. And like, I'm obsessed, you know. I'm obsessed. And I'll be putting it as my mascara. And after that, I'm going to be putting a little bit of airspun powder on my forehead and then swiping it off and under the eyes. Guys, I can't speak. But yeah, so let's do one eye. I literally put a lot of mascara. I'm not going to lie. I really do put a lot of mascara. And you know what? Whatever. So, wow. I really like this. So my eyelashes are very like pointed down. So that's what sucks about my my eyelashes. They're really pointed down. So I really want a mascara that will like pull my eyelashes up, and it does that. This mascara and I really like it. I used to use the Maybelline mascara and the Great Lash mascara. That one's actually still my favorite because of the little thing, but this is actually my #1 right now at this instant, and I'm really like obsessed with it because I do have kind of small eyelashes. They're kind of, I don't know, I have average eyelashes and I really want to grow them out, but oh well, I'm stuck with these for my whole life unless I get eyelash extensions. Would be nice, but whatever, I don't need them anyways, they need me. I'm so weird. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit with mascara and stuff. I'm done with my mascara. Next is the Airspun, because I said a few clips ago that I was gonna add some to my forehead a little bit, you know, right here. It smells so good. I'm just saying, guys, it just smells so freaking bomb. So there we go. Add some from the sides of my nose. Can't have too much. There we go. I'll swipe that off. Swipe it off. And that's it. Got on my pants and my hand, but whatever. Swipe that off. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is weird, guys. This is weird, but whatever. Okay, so the last thing I do is I add setting spray, matte finish fitting matte from NYX, and I really like this one because it does last all day and stuff. So yeah, so we're just gonna do this little. So yeah, so we are finished here with this look today. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe down below, join the turtle family, and I hope to see you guys sooner or later. And bye, have a good night or day, so I don't know. Now bye.